Alam ko guys, ang dami sa inyo nagko-content creation. Lalo mga smartphone ninyo, there are some other phones na 120 gigs of storage, 256 gig of storage, especially if you're shooting 4K and 60 FPS na video, bitin na bitin niya. Especially when you're going out for a long vacation like 10 days. Aba? 256, sabi ko siya guys, bitin na bitin yan. So I brought along this one, si Kingston na SSD na flash drive. Sobrang okay siya, no? Na this is a dual portable SSD drive na 1 terabyte. So on one side, I have a Type A port, and on the other side, I have a Type C port. So kung gusto kabitin sa phone ko, just like this one, si Honor Win natin, kakabit ko lang, slap, and babasahin na niya in a few moments. Ganun siya kabilis, no? Madedetect naman niya agad. And if you want to transfer files to and from your phone, ang bilis niya. Dahil meron siyang 1,000 Mbps na write speed and 1,000 Mbps na read speed. And what's nice din dito sa kanya is bagong generation nito, USB 3.2 Gen 2. No? So, ensuring you na mabilis, bago. No? So, yan guys, yan. Nandito yung drive natin. Kingston na drive. Ginagawa ko, no, pag medyo papuno na yung drive ko, yung phone ko na 256, copy, paste dito. Then pagtapos ko mag-paste, safely remove, kakabit ko na sa aking PC na naka Type A port. Ganun lang, no? It's a easy file transferring to and from kasi normally if you travel, wala ka nun, ako, hindi ako nagdadala ng laptop personally kasi bigat eh. Pero nagdadala ako ng mga portable drives like this one. So, if you're out there going for a travel, lalo kung long travel, I highly recommend na magdala kayo nito, no? Kingston na dual portable SSD drive, and I'll post the link on the description or just simply click the yellow basket kung saan mo siya pwede mabili. So guys, check out nyo na. Sulit talaga 'to.